Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable sensitive content warning and what it does on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings and then you want to swipe down and go to the privacy and security. Once you are here, you want to swipe down again and go to the sensitive content warning. As you can see, now I do have this feature off. If I turn on this feature, what it does, it detects nude photos and videos before they are viewed on your iPhone and receive guidance to help make a safe choice. Apple does not have access to the photos or videos. So what it does, it is going to inform you that there is a sensitive content warning from just some photos, and as you can see, you can manage from which applications you want to get this warning. So for example, if you're going to get the nude photo of someone through the airdrop, now you are going to get this notification. If you turn this feature off from airdrop, you are not going to get those notifications. So you can manage if you want to have all, or just for example with the airdrop, or just for example with the messages. So you can just turn on the sensitive content warning only for messages, as you can see. So also you can improve sensitive content warning to send data to the Apple if you want to, but you don't need to just by clicking this button right here. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!